Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to execute query in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you need to do is just to go to the developer console from this gear icon here. You click on the setup menu and you will find the developer console. By clicking on the console, you will need just to go and open the sources of Salesforce. So here you will find the Lightning resources and you will find the normal resources. So basically we want the open resources. By clicking here, we will be able to see all the objects. In my case, I have just some problem with the API going on with my Salesforce, but you will find all the objects that will be listed from here. And then all you need to do is just to choose any object that you want to query from, and it will be appearing something similar to this. You can choose, for example, account, group, user, opportunity, or choose from all the objects that will be open in resources. And after that, you will need just to choose and click on open, and then you will need just to select the field that you want. So basically, each object will have many fields or many properties. You will need just to choose the properties that you would like to query from as follow. So you will need just to click on them, and then you will need to click on query. Then in the query editor, you will be able to see the query that will be uh, executed. And from here, you will need just to execute the query after you have modify it and verifying this query, and then you click on execute, and after that you will find or you will see all the records or the result of this query that has been executed. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.